Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial by Zebra Code. In this part of the MySQL database tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the OUTFILE feature of MySQL to create a CSV data from a table. We will be using the CMD command prompt in the process. To do that, we need to log into the MySQL server and navigate to the table and database that we are going to be exporting the data from. Open XAMPP in wherever it is installed on your computer. Start Apache and MySQL. While Apache and MySQL are running, open the CMD shell. Now with the CMD shell opened, let's log in. MySQL space -h, that's for host, localhost, space U for user, root, and hit enter. Great, I have logged in successfully. You can always use your correct login details if they are different from this. I am using the default login details. Now that I have logged into the MySQL server, I am going to show the databases so that I know which one I'm going to be using. Show databases, semicolon, hit enter. Great. These are all the databases that I currently have on my server, but I'm going to be using the one for app books. Use app books, semicolon, hit enter. Great, database change. Now I'm going to show the tables in the app books database. Show tables, semicolon, hit enter. Great. Shows me now that I have one table inside this database and it is called academic books. Now I need to see how the academic books table looks. Describe academic books, semicolon, hit enter. Great. This is how the structure of the academic books table looks. Now this is the right time for me to show you how to create a CSV file from a table. I am going to use all these columns here, all these fields, and I will export them into a CSV file. But before we create our CSV file, we need to know where we would want to save it in. In my case, I have created a folder on my computer desktop and I named the folder my data center. So I'm going to copy that part. Copy the part for the folder wherever you want to save the CSV file to. At the moment, I don't have anything inside this folder, but this is where I would like to save the CSV file in. Now that I know where I'm going to save the file in, I need to actually use the MySQL OUTFILE feature to create it. And to do that, I'll enter the following command. Select book underscore ID, command, book underscore title, command, book underscore author underscore first name, command, book underscore author last name, command, book underscore subject underscore area, command, book underscore number underscore of underscore pages, command, book underscore pub underscore date, enter file. And now we need to enter the location that we would want to save the CSV file to. Single quote, single quote. Now paste the path for where you want to save the file into. Remember to change this to // and // and now the name of the file // I will name it all books.csv. Fields terminated by single quote, comma, single quote, optionally enclosed by single quote, now double quote and single quote. Lines terminated by single quote, backslash, and single quote. From which table? Our table name is academic books, semicolon. What is going on here is easy to understand. We are using this database app books, and inside that app books we have a table called academic books, which has these fields. And now we are selecting all these fields from this table, and we are going to output it or save it as an out file in this directory. And the name of the file is allbooks.csv. So fields terminated by a comma, because it's going to be a comma separated value. Optionally enclosed by double quote. Then lines terminated by, that's a new line. From where? From the academic books table. Now I'm going to hit enter. Great. Query OK. 32 rows affected. Now let's check that folder directory to see whether the CSV file was created or not. Great. Now we have this file here, allbooks.csv, which is this one here. This is what we call it, allbooks.csv, and now it has been saved in our folder as allbooks.csv. So let's double click on it now to see what the file actually looks. Great, I have opened it now, and this is how my CSV file looks. These are the columns we selected. ID was added to it as the first one. Then the book title, advanced mechanics, author's first name, author's last name, subject area, number of pages, and year of publication. So this is how you create a CSV file from MySQL using the CMD or command prompt. We use the OUTFILE feature of MySQL to achieve this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.